Oh shit. I'm dead, y'all. I'm here chilling. I'm laughing because they not even Haitian, they African. This thing. That's not funny, y'all. Oh my God, bro. I'm dead. Over a phone, y'all. Because she took her phone. She was like, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Who the fuck are you texting? Yo, I'm so fucking dead. Bitch, don't take off your shirt, Lordy. I hope she got on a bra. Oh, Lord. Oh. Where are you running, girl? Where is she going?